Come to the next terminology, debtors. Who is debtors? Business sold goods on credit to the customers. The party or person or the firm to whom the business sold goods on credit, they are collectively or jointly known as debtors. For example, business, for an example, business sold goods on credit to the various customers. I am naming some customers. Suppose customer A, customer B, customer C, customer D, customer E, and customer F. A, B, C, D, E, F. They are the customers. Business sold goods on credit to these customers. Suppose customer A, business sold goods on credit to customer A 20,000 rupees, 20,000, 50,000, 40,000, 70,000, 30,000, and 90,000. So total goods sold on credit by the business is 3 lakhs. Total goods sold on credit by the business is 3 lakhs. And if these customers haven't paid the amount, didn't pay the amount till date, or you can say at the last day of the balance sheet, at the end of the financial year, they have not settled these amount. At the end of the financial year, they are jointly known as debtors. They are jointly known as debtors. They are the debtors. And debtors is 3 lakhs. Debtors is 3 lakhs. Out of this 3 lakhs, 2 lakhs of 20,000 from A, goods sold to A is 20 on credit, B 50, 40, 70, 30 and 90. Suppose the goods which was sold on credit to them is this, and they have paid, A has paid 10,000, B has paid 30,000, C has paid 20,000, he has given 40,000, he has given 20, he has given 80 to you. Now rest amount is, how much is the rest amount? 10,000. Not yet clear. Not clear is 10, 20, 20, 30, 10 and 10. So total is how much? 0, 0, 0, 0, 3, 5, 8, 9, 10. 1 lakh. So now our debtor is 1 lakh. When they did the payment of this payment, they have done it. So rest amount which is not yet paid, balance amount which is not yet paid by them, is 1 lakh. This 1 lakh will be called the debtors. Balance debtors is now 1 lakh. So debtors are the customer or the person or party to whom the business sold goods on credit, and whatever the amount they have not paid till date or at the end of the financial year, these all customers are jointly known as, those who have not settled their account are jointly known as debtors. Debtors is our current asset. This is our current assets. Debtors is our current assets. So debtor is clear. When the business sold goods on credit to the person or the customer or party or any company on credit, and whatever the amount of those credit sales they have not paid till date or till the end of the financial year, the rest amount which is not yet paid by them, we do the total of that amount and we'll use the word debtors. The debtors of the business is 1 lakh. It means our credit customers they have not paid their amount, their dues till date or till the last date of the financial year up to rupees 1 lakh. They are jointly known as, collectively known as debtors. These credit customers are collectively known as debtors who has not paid their dues till date or till the date of the last balance sheet. Okay.